Good afternoon. Today I made sauerkraut salad, and I'm going to share with you how I did it. However, the first two tries I did this video, for some reason my camera was messing up, and I'm hoping this third try is a charm. I have already made the salad because I shot the videos, so I'm going to recap what I did rather than bore you with all the extra stuff. What I did is take 2 cups sauerkraut. I rinsed it because this particular batch was extra sour. And then I drained it really well and put it in my bowl. Then I added 1/2 cup sugar and I mixed that around, and you let that sit for 30 minutes. And 30 minutes later you will find that the sugar has dissolved and there's no more little crystals in there. And then to that I added, now remember 30 minutes, don't cheat. I added 1/2 cup shredded carrots, a 1/2 cup chopped bell pepper, a little bit of red and a little bit of green, and a 1/4 cup onion, and a 1/2 cup finely chopped celery. I recommend finely chopped because celery can be really crunchy, and some people don't like that crunch as much. You can also leave it out. Now, when you choose your onion, I like the yellow cooking onion in there. You can use red onion or the little green spring onions. All the onions add a little different flavor to the salad, so you may have to make it a few times to find what you like best. But what you want is something colorful and flavorful, and something your guest will enjoy if you're sharing. Now, after we get that all mixed, we want to cover it really well. If you have a regular bowl with a lid, that's fine. I'm just going to use plastic wrap, and I'm going to cover that and put in the refrigerator for 12 hours. If you serve it too early, the flavors have not mixed well, and the salad just won't have the bright taste that you're looking for. So do let it rest and chill, and then when you serve it, make sure that the people that you're serving it to like sauerkraut, because if they don't, they may not like this. However, I suggest you give it a try, because a lot of people I've made this for that didn't like sauerkraut become sauerkraut lovers. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoy this, and sorry for my bloopers.